Hi, I'm Alice Rizzi, and today we're going to do a short body scan. So, wherever you are, taking a healthy, alert posture. You can be sitting down with your feet directly beneath you or in a comfortable cross-legged position, or you can be laying down. Whatever posture you hold, you want it to be healthy. So you want to be comfortable, you want to be supported. You don't want to be slouching so that you don't fall asleep. The body scan is a great practice to do just before bed or as part of your bedtime routine. So taking your healthy supportive posture, closing your eyes if that feels comfortable, otherwise averting your gaze downward, beginning by taking a few deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, slowly exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Noticing your lungs fill up with air on the inhale, and your stomach slowly deflating on the exhale. Continuing to breathe at your own pace, knowing that there's nothing else that you need to do right now. This is time that you've allotted to yourself for this practice. Allow yourself to be fully present right here, right now. Slowly shifting your attention to your feet, noticing what sensations might be present there. Not trying to move your feet or call any sensations that aren't there. Simply allowing yourself to be aware of what already is. Scanning your left foot, your toes, the ball of your foot, the sole, and your right foot, the toes, the ball of the foot, the sole. Noticing what you can feel, noticing any tension, any sensations, any numbness. Or perhaps you don't notice any sensations at all, and that's okay. We're not trying to force anything. Simply noticing what is. Then slowly raising your awareness through your ankle, your calves, your shins, your knees. Noticing what it's like to put your attention on this part of your body. Noticing perhaps the temperature around your legs, any itchiness, any urges to scratch, to tighten, to move. And allowing yourself to notice those urges without necessarily acting on them. Simply noticing that they are there. Maybe they intensify over a period of time. Maybe they de-escalate. Maybe your mind wanders to something else altogether. Allowing yourself to just be present and notice what is. As you continue scanning up your body to your thighs, your hips, your buttocks, your pelvic bone. And as you scan your body, you may notice different thoughts arise, different emotions, different sensations, different activity coming and going. Noticing what's there, and then gently bringing your attention back to the part of your body that you were scanning. Not trying to change or fix or avoid anything. Not calling into your body any particular sensations. Simply noticing what already is. Scanning up your body, your stomach, your hips, your lower back, your rib cage, your lungs, your chest, your mid-back. Noticing any internal or external sensations that may or may not be there. Feeling each inhale, each exhale. Noticing perhaps sensations of hunger or fullness. Noticing any judgments or thoughts or memories that this part of the body might bring up for you. And approaching it with curiosity, compassion, and non-judgment. It is what it is right now, simply because it is. Continuing to move up the body to your collarbones, your shoulders, moving into your arms, your elbows, your hands, scanning each finger. And again, noticing those urges to move or to wiggle, any urges you might have to open your eyes or turn your gaze towards another body part. Being patient with yourself, allowing yourself to continue simply observing all that is going on right now. Moving back up the hands, the nail beds, the wrist, the inside of the elbow, biceps, triceps, back up the shoulders and neck. Moving into your face, your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your eyebrows and ears, your hairline and the back of your head. Noticing if there's any body parts that are calling to your attention. And noticing that you have a choice whether to shift your attention from what you're currently scanning to a different body part, or choose to stay with the body part you're currently on. There is no right or wrong here, as long as you are practicing being intentional with your attention. Taking in the whole body now, scanning it top to bottom, bottom to top. And taking another deep, long inhale. Checking in with yourself and how you feel in this moment. And when you're ready, wiggling your toes and wiggling your hands, doing a little stretch. Opening your eyes if you're going to move into another practice or do something else. Or if you're listening to this just before bed, keeping your eyes closed as you wander off into a deep, comfortable sleep. Thank you for your practice.